This class is for class 9th and chapter that we are doing is statistics, and we were doing exercise 20.1, and this class is in continuation with the previous class, and we are following the book Understanding ICSE Mathematics by ML Agarwal. Now in the previous classes we have discussed what is the meaning of mean and what is the meaning of median, how do we calculate the median. But to make it more clear, mean is already sum of observations upon total number of observations. But what is median? Median depends on the data, what type of data. If the observations is odd, then we have a different formula. If the number of observations is even, then we have different formula. So I am writing when observations number of, or it would have been written as when number of observations is odd, means that n is odd, n is odd, then we give the formula of median as median is equal to n plus 1 upon 2th term. And all these things, all this formula is only applicable. First we have to arrange the given data either in ascending order or in descending order. Means first point we have to arrange the data. Arrange, and in which manner? Either in ascending order or in descending order. And when number of observations is even, means n is even, then median is given by formula n upon 2th term plus n upon 2 plus 1th term plus 1th term total divided by 2. Now there is a difference. Here it is n plus 1 upon 2, but here it is n upon 2 plus 1. This is a big difference. Suppose n is 5, so 5 plus 1, 6 upon 2 will be 3. But here if it is 6, 6 upon 2 is 3 plus 1, 4, like that. Now we'll come to the question. They say, in this I am taking question number 14 because up to 12 we have discussed in the previous class, and we were doing questions in the multiples of 2, and all the odd numbered questions will be done by you all. Now question number 14, they say this data is given and this is ungrouped data. This is a clustered data, ungrouped. It is not in a proper group or a proper sequence, or it is in no order. Now we have to find mean and median. You know, in mean, that is x bar, is sum of observations. So simply what we can do, we can total all these 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 0 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 3 plus 2 upon total number of observations. Means what is the total number of the data? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So upon 10. Now we will add them. 5, 6, 7. 7, 5, 12. 12 and 3, 15. 15, 4, 19. 22, 24. So it is 24 upon 10. So its mean comes out to be, x bar comes out to be 2.4. That is the value of the mean. Now we have to find the median, and you know, or we all know that when we are supposed to find the median, first of all we need to arrange the data that is given. So we will arrange them in ascending order. So first will come 0. Now I am arrangement in ascending order. So what is my arrangement? First will come 0, then 0 done, then 2 times is 1, 1, 1, 2 times, then 2 is again 2 times, 2, and 2 is 2 times, 3 is 1, 2, 3 times is 1, 2, 3 times is 3, so 3, 3 and 3, then 4 is there, and then 5 is there, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now this has been arranged, and number of observations is how much? 10. and we know 10 is even. So which formula we are going to use? This one, second formula. Let us say this is the A part or A part of the formula and this is the B part of the formula. So what we are going to use? We will be using the B part when number of observation is even or n is even. And you can see here the number of observations is how many? 10. So 10 is even number. So how are we going to find out the median? Median will be n upon 2th term. N upon 2th term plus n upon 2 plus 1th term divided by 2. N is how much? 10. 10 upon 2th term. 10 upon 2th term plus 10 upon 2 plus 1th term. 1th term upon 2. Now 10 upon 2 means 5th term. So 5th term plus 10 upon 2 is 5. 5 plus 1. 6th term. 6th term upon 2. Now we will find from the data that has been arranged that which is the 5th and 6th term. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5th is 2 and 6th is 3. So what we are going to do, we will put the value of 5th term. 5th term is 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5th term is 2 and 6th term is 3. So 2 plus 3 upon 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 upon 2 is 2.5. So this is the median. This is how we calculate the median when the number of terms given is even. An odd one, we have done one question in the previous class, but still we will see if the other questions will be based on mean and median. So we will be doing that. Now we move on to the next, that is question number 16. Next question is question number 16 I am taking. This is again a data is given in haphazard manner, and we have to find or we have to calculate mean and median. So first of all, mean you know can be calculated. Mean is represented by x bar is equal to how many is equal to sigma I xi upon total number of observations. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So total is 15, means divided by 15. I is equal to from 1 to 15. This is the formula in the short form or in a compressed form we write upon n. Here it should come sum of two observations. So sum has been represented by summation of xi and total number of observations would have been n. But here I am writing here also n is equal to 15 given. So n is 15. Now we have to add. So 41 plus 39 plus 52 plus 48 plus 54 plus 62 plus 46 plus 52 plus 40 plus 96 plus 42 plus 40 plus 98 plus 60 and plus 52. Total divided by 15. So now we will add, and after adding it should come, I think it will be coming as 822 and upon 15. Now when it is divided by 15, it comes out to be 54.8. So 54.8 is the mean of the given data. We got the value of mean, that is 54.8. Now we will be calculating the median. Mean, median, what do we do? We always arrange the data in a we arrange the data maybe in ascending order or descending order. So first of all I am rubbing out and then I will be arranging the data. So in this, what we can see now, when we arrange, the smallest number I think is 39. We are arranging in ascending order. So I am writing here that arranging the data in ascending order. Ascending order. Now smallest one is 39, so it should come 39 first. This cancelled. Then 40, 40. 2 times is 40. 1 and 2. So 40 and 40. Then 41 is there. Only 141. So 141 is there. Then 42 is 1. So 42. Then 42, 46 is there. 146. Then 148 is there. 48 cancelled. Now 48, then 52, 52, 52. 3 52s are there. 52, 52 and 52. 3 52. 1, 2 and 3. Then comes 64. Oh, sorry, 54. Then comes 54. This is 154 is there. Then comes 60. And then 62. 60 cancelled, 62 cancelled, all cancelled in the above row, and then 96 and 98. 96 and 98. We have arranged 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now we have arranged the data. Now we know that n is how much? 15, and 15 is odd number. So when the number of observations is odd, we will use this one. When number of observation is odd or n is odd, median is equal to n plus 1 upon 2. So median will be n plus 1 upon total upon 2th term. N is how much? 15. So 15 plus 1, 16 upon 2, 2th term. So 16 upon 2, I am writing it 16 upon 2th term. It means that 16 upon 2 is 8. So 8th term will be the median. Now from the given data, from the arranged data, not the given data but from the arranged data, we will check which is the 8th term. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 52 is the 8th term. So 52 is the median of the given data, and that is the final value. So I hope you would have understood these things. Now we move on to the, I think, 18th question. Now the next question is the last question of this exercise, that is question number 18. In this they say the following observations have been arranged in ascending order. Means whatever data is given now in this question has already been arranged. We do not require any arrangement now. And they say if the median of the data is 47.5. Median is given 47.5. We have to find the value of x. So first of all we will count the data, because the formula of median is applicable. For odd it is different and for even it is different. So first of all we need to check whether the given data is in the odd form or even form. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 means n is given to us as 14, and we know that 14 is even number. So we will go with the this formula, B part, when the number of observation is even. So we will write the formula. Median for even is n upon 2th term plus n upon 2 plus 1th term divided by 2. Now median is given 47.5. just substitute the value 47.5. n is 14, so 14 upon 2th term plus n upon 2, 14 upon 2 plus 1th term divide by 2. So by cross multiplication we can say 47.5 into 2 is equal to 14 upon 2 is 7th term plus 14 upon 2 is 7 plus 1 is 8th term. 8th term. Now 5 2s are 10, 0, 7 2s are 14, 15, 5, 4 2s are 8, 1, 9. 95 is equal to seventh term. Seventh term where we'll find? In the arranged data, and the data is already arranged. They say that the data which has been given to us is already arranged. So we'll just count the seventh term. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can see the seventh term is coming as x plus eighth term is 50. So simply you can make out that x is equal to 95 minus 50, that comes out to be 45. So value of x is 45, that is the final value. Finished this exercise. In the next class, this was the basic of the statistics. So we have just discussed about the mean and median of ungrouped data. Everything that we have done till here is ungrouped data. Now the next part we will be learning the same things, but that will be it will not be ungrouped, but it will be about grouped data, right? So you all are expected to do all the odd numbered questions that are there in your notebook, and in case you have any doubt, you can send me your problems to my number. Till then, stay blessed, stay healthy, and keep on studying. You have to study, right? So thank you for till then.